I made a purchase at Lowe's online because they don't have 3-pound flex paste in the store. I got the tube as well. Some may not know that the tube comes off, you cut the tip, and you place this back on. I don't want to open these up until I'm ready to use them, and I want to see how much of the pastes are hardened on each of them. My first job is to try to fill this in above my door with silicone, I like to call. And I'm not going to get in there deeply enough, even with the tools I have. And I clean my tools off, making another video showing you how I applied heat to them, and they cleaned up very nicely. So let's put our caulk gun to good use. I placed my tip and I made a cut. As you can see, I'm trying to puncture the inside. Not easy to do. Got to make sure I'm dead center and it's not puncturing. So I'm going to have to go cut this. So I basically pull the tip off. Can I place the tip into my splitter? No. It just about misses. So that's one downer I have about this, that I have to go and get a knife to cut this. So I am going to try to make my cut without cutting my hands. And it's kind of hard. But I am cutting it. And that's how I make my cut. I made my cut. I put my cap on. Now I go do my work. We all know how to squeeze in paste. There we go. Do my best to get the rest in there. One of the old tricks is to extend with a straw the paste so you could get deeply in there, and I don't have a straw to do that. Lucky me, one tooth did the job, and I should take the nails out. I am flattening this right now. I'm satisfied, and what I need now to do is open up the flex paste tub. If you ever get flex paste tub, you want to rub your fingers. This is the trick. It's soft, it's hard. It's hard right here. Always around the rim is going to be hard. So let's see if we can open this up. Pry off with coin. How are we supposed to see white on white to know to pry off with a coin? So I'm going to try to pry this off with what I got. As you can see, it's lifting real slow. Now I'm able to grab it by hand and pry it off. I do apologize for doing it the opposite way. you get these silica packages, and this is directly from Home Depot, Lowe's, not from the company. And over here, this is where the air hits. Over here. Don't want to throw this away. And you can see right here, this is already hard around the rim. It's hard. I'm going to get my tool, the one I didn't use. And again, we're going to have to contact the company and ask them why we have material that is hard. Well, their answer is going to be, it all cannot be soft. I got about 15 minutes to work with this. And now I got hard material here. So let me see if I can get this hard material out of my way. Fool me once, fool me twice, 3 times is no fun, people. This is wasted material right here, Flex Seal. Why? You don't give me the answer why. Contact our customer support. I like to get a new container. I bought 4 of your products, and this is what I got to deal with. This is about 10% of wasted material. A 1-inch spatula is all you're going to need. Fill it in as thick as you like. You only got a certain amount of time to work with it before it starts to cure. I used this all up. I'm going to throw it away. Right now, I'm just going to place it down to the side. I had enough to do my best I can do. I'm not 100% satisfied, but I'm good enough and properly sealed. And I'm able to go around the whole door frame, where it was very important, and especially over by the drain, 4-inch, covered up. Flex paste is not going to dry pure white. It's going to give, as you can see right here, a yellowish color. Black will be black, and that's what I'm going to use next. I need to get in here, underneath all here, and over here. I want to get all in here. So I am planning to get all over here, get this all covered up. Again, all this is never sealed correctly. You can see the difference in the coloring. And that's wasted material. Let me tell you, wear a pair of gloves. Trust me. I got the best I can. Man, let me tell you, it was very gooey. I got it all done, and I had enough to do a round over there. Storms are coming. Paste sail, sail tight. Flex sail is going to do the job. I tell you, ladies and gentlemen, if your mind's not set to doing things, put it aside. Come back another day. Flex Seal is not easy to work with on certain things. Black was a little too soft. White was a little harder to work with, meaning it was easy to get on than the black. It is what it is. Well worth the money for this job. I'm happy I got the work done. happy I got everything all sealed. I can't do any more than what I just did here. That's all concrete sealed. I'm done. Waiting for the water. The only thing I need to do now is build this up. Right here at the bottom. Build it up. So this way when I close my door, I got a nice seal. Air seal, that is. Have a great day, everybody. Have a great day.